Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to extend your ICT work permit in Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. So let's proceed. So guys, suppose you are already working in Canada on your ICT work permit and now you want to extend it, you meet the requirements, so you proceed. So right now in front of you I have opened this MyCIC login. So you come here down, you see start an application, click on apply to come to Canada, and now we will go through the wizard. The wizard is very important. Visitor visa study or work permit. Whatever I'm showing you is just a sample. When you answer it as per your situation because this is just a sample. What would you like to do in Canada? You are going to work. How long? Let's say you are extending for 1 year, more than 6 months. Code, let's say you are an Indian citizen and you hold Indian passport. What is your current country? So you are in Canada. Select Canada. Do you have family member? So who is a citizen per month? Let's say no. Let's say you are alone. What is your date of birth? So it's 2020. Let's make this guy of 1995. 25 years, not a bad age. June 1st. Next. Are you lawful green card holder? No, he's not. So no. What is the current immigration status? He's a worker. Does one of the following apply to you? Read very carefully. I am subject of removal order that is unenforceable. I applied for study permit before entering Canada was approved but not issued. I am in primary or secondary school or a visiting exchange student. Applying an open work permit under active public. I am a student. I applied for and was found eligible. So no, he hasn't applied yet. No. Scroll down. Are you a spouse or dependent of a person? So that's not applicable. Again, he is, let's say the guy is not married, so no. Have you been told by IRCC then approved in principle? No. Have you submitted? He is yet to submit, but if you have submitted, then that has to be yes. Do you have a written job offer? Of course, like ICT extension. So what is your marital status? He is never married. What is the province of destination? Let's say Ontario. Next. You may be eligible to extend your stay in Canada to work with a work permit. So this is what he wants to work permit in Canada. Few more questions. Are you accompanying a family member who has a status in Canada? No, he's alone. Whatever is the case, you need to answer like that. When your status expires, so we are in 2020. Scroll down, there are too many options. So be careful, especially if you have a sensitive mouse. So let's say December 31st. Good date, right? Last day of the year. Which option best describes your work situation? Okay, let's see. I am applying for an employment specific for LMIA exemption. I am on academic exchange conduct. I am religious, spouse, foreign entrepreneur under international agreement. Okay, so ICT is like employer specific work permit and with LMIA exemption. Have you had a medical of last 12 months? Let's say no, he has already been here for 2 years. Have you lived and designated? Whatever is applicable, click no. Do you want to work in one of the following jobs? No. Next. Do you want to apply submit an application for family member? No. Next. Do you don't want any representative for yourself? So no. whatever is applicable. Have you gone for biometric? Yes. Let's say when he went for the initial permit, he applied. Yes, he will be paying the application fees. Digital copy, yes, he can make. That is why he is applying online. Yes, he can pay using card. That's why he is applying online. Okay, here review your answers very carefully. If any changes are required, go ahead and do, and then click on continue. Okay, continue. So this is the checklist. So we'll go through each of them. Offer of employment. So you selected uh, that you have an offer of employment, so that is why you became eligible, so you need to put that here. Passport, invitation letter, digital photo proof. Yeah, this question people ask a lot. If you're regulated, then that granted you the required license or certification, but whatever is applicable in your case, like it depends upon occupations. Okay, this I had discussed earlier in the ICT work permit video, so I will not discuss further. 5257 I have already shown you. Client information I have already described that it varies case by case. So I'm going to include the links in the description how to fill up this 5710 and this 5257. But yes, you need to fill up as per the case. That could be for a different process, but it has to be filled up as per the case. So from there you can pick it up. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. And guys, a lot of you, what I observe is like you just watch my video and you just go away. My request, subscribe so that the channel gets supported and it reaches to a wider range of audience. That's it for now, guys. Thank you.